Good morning, students. So, in last class, we are discussing about basic concepts like real numbers, absolute value or modulus value, then complex number, then conjugate of complex number, then indices as well as laws of indices. Based on laws of indices, there are two important note. As you know that meaning of a to the power of 0 is equal to how much? 1, and meaning of a power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a power m. Okay. So next, some more important basic things. You know all those things. Just we recall. What are those? Now here important formula. Important formula. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? You know that what is the formula for a plus b whole power 2? Do you know? Yes, what is that? A square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Okay, whereas a minus b whole power 2 is equal to what is that? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, a plus b whole power 3 is equal to what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket what? A plus b. Or we can write like this: a cube plus b cube, remove that bracket, 3, a into a square b plus 3a, b into b square. Both are right. Okay. Whereas a minus b whole power 3 is equal to what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. That is also same as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus into minus plus 3ab square. Okay. Whereas a square minus b square, how to write this? A square minus b square is same as what? A minus b into a plus b. Correct? So similarly, what is the formula for a cube minus b cube? ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು. What is that? A minus b into bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, a cube minus b cube is equal to, how to write? A plus b into bracket a square minus ab minus b square. Correct? A plus b into bracket a square minus, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into bracket a square minus ab plus b square. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 8th 9th 10th ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರಿಕಾಲ್, ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ quadratic equation. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10th ಅಲ್ಲೇ. What is the meaning of quadratic equation? ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ. Quadratic equation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Remember, an equation like ax square plus or minus bx plus or minus c is equal to 0. Equal to 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ. is equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not an equation. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? only expression. quadratic expression ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. equation ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ equate to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. Here a b c are constants, and one more condition, a value is not equal to 0. one ವೇಳೆ a value 0 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? first term becomes 0. ಅವು 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, bx plus or minus c, x to the power 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a value 0 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not quadratic, it is linear equation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, an equation like ax square plus or minus bx plus or minus c is equal to 0, where a b c are constants and a is not equal to 0. This equation is known as quadratic equation. Note that quadratic equation has how many roots? ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೂಲಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 roots. What are those? X is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus, you know, under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now there are 2 roots, namely first root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another root is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now here first root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Another root is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So quadratic equation has 2 roots. Linear equation has only 1 root. Quadratic equation has 2 roots. If this cubic equation is given, you know, cubic means power of x is 3. That is known as cubic equation. Cubic equation has how many roots? 3 roots. More roots barutte. Here quadratic equation has 2 roots. Those 2 roots are minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Another root is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula is known as Sridharacharya rule. Name of scientist. ಅವನು ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. Sridharacharya rule. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the roots. Okay. Now suppose if the first root is alpha anta karena. Let alpha is the first root. Second root ಏನಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ? beta ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. ನೀವು 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ instead of alpha and beta by taking m and n. M and n are the roots of the quadratic equation ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ. Instead of m and n by taking say alpha and beta. Alpha ಮತ್ತು beta ಏನು? ಮೂಲಗಳು. Okay. Next result, to find the sum of roots. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sum of roots ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Sum of roots ಮೂಲಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ, that is alpha plus beta is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? alpha ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? alpha ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a plus beta. Beta value minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. ಹೌದಾ? Then simplify. Take the LCM. LCM is 2a. Here minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac plus root of b square minus 4ac minus root of b square minus 4ac cancel. Minus b how much? Minus 2b divided by 2a. 2 cancel, that is minus b by a. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sum of roots ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus b by a. You know ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ. So remember sum of roots is minus b upon a. Similarly, what is product of roots? ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. What is product of roots? ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? alpha into beta. What is alpha? minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. ಹೌದಾ? into beta minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ denominator 2a into 2a, 2 into 2 4, a into a square, correct? Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac minus b minus root b square minus 4ac. Now here minus b ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, put that minus b is equal to a ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ plus root of b square minus 4ac b ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದು a plus b. a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು? minus b. b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು? root b square minus 4ac. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ minus b ಗೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? a sin minus ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? b. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದು a plus b into a minus b. a plus b into a minus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? a square minus b square. a square a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? minus b minus b whole power 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? plus b square. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೈನು? minus b square. b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? root of b square minus 4ac. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ minus b square minus into minus plus 4ac divided by 4a square. 1b square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4ac divided by 4a square. 4 4 cancel, 1a cancel. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ c divided by a. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು c divided by a. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus b by a. ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ minus b by a, ಮೂಲಗಳ ಗುಣಲಬ್ಧ c by a. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೂಡ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. Yes students, you know that quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is known as quadratic equation. Roots ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. There are two roots, namely alpha and beta. Sum of two roots is minus b by a and product of roots is c upon a. Okay. Next result is nature of roots. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ? Nature of roots. So there are two roots, namely x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac. ಈ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಎದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್. That is known as discriminant. ಶೋಧಕದ ಬೆಲೆ. ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಟೆಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. The nature of the roots depends upon the quantity b square minus 4ac. That is known as discriminant. ಶೋಧಕದ ಬೆಲೆ. Okay. And it is denoted by the symbol delta. Read it as delta. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ is equal to b square minus 4ac. Nature of roots. Nature of roots. After substituting the values of a b c values ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, for example 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. ಒಂದು equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. a value 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Say for example 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ a value 2, b value 3, c value 1. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, if the answer is b square minus 4ac answer positive and perfect, positive ಇದ್ದು perfect square ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, positive and perfect ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ say 25 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. 25 is positive number and it is perfect root. ಈ ತರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೋತ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ. whereas after substituting the values of a b c in the discriminant, suppose if its answer is positive and not perfect, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದೆನ್ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅನ್ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇ 26 ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. Again, after substituting the values of a, b, c in the discriminant, if its answer is 0, b square minus 4ac, b value, a value, c value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ complete 0 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, then the roots ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? equal and rational or equal and real. Okay. Similarly, after substituting the values of A, B, C in the discriminant, if the answer is negative sign -3, -7, -10 ಈ ತರ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ discriminant value negative ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then the nature of the roots are remember unequal and not real. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. not real means imaginary ಬರುತ್ತೆ. There are four parts. Remember, after substituting the values of A, B, C in the discriminant, if the answer is positive value and perfect root, then the nature of the roots are unequal and rational number. Again, after substituting the values of A, B, C in the discriminant, if its answer is positive and not perfect, then the roots are unequal and real number. If after substituting the values of A, B, C in the discriminant, if its answer is become 0, then the nature of the roots are what? Equal and rational. Whereas after substituting the values of A, B, C in the discriminant, if its answer is negative value, then the nature of the roots are unequal and not real. Real number ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. That is not real, it is imaginary. This is the result for nature of the roots. ಇಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10th ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, dear students. So next basic concept when coming to the result for coordinate geometry. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? Coordinate geometry. In this result, there are some important formula. Namely, first formula ಯಾವುದು? Distance formula. ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Distance formula. Okay. Now here, if 2 points are given, say A is the point x1, y1, and B be a point x2, y2. Then the question is to find the distance between 2 points. So that distance between 2 points, distance formula, do you remember? Root of x2 minus x1 to the power of 2 plus y2 minus y1 to the power of 2. This is known as distance formula. Okay. Next one is section formula. Section formula ಏನಿದೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆನಾ? So section formula. Now here, if the P of x1 is equal to, now to find the coordinates of point P, which divide the line AB internally in the ratio m is to n. P ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ AB ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ m is to n ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what is the coordinates of point P? Now coordinates of point P is equal to, what is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, whereas my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is section formula if it is internally. Okay. Suppose if it is external divide ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the formula? Same term, sign changes. mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, whereas my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n, it is externally. Okay. Now suppose if the ratios are equal, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಎರಡು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇ m is equal to n is equal to 1, then ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, then p of x1 is equal to m value 1, n value 1 into x2 x2, n value 1 into x1 x1 divided by 2, m value 1 into y2 y2, n value 1 into y1 y1 divided by 2. This is known as, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? That is known as midpoint formula. ಇದೇನು midpoint formula. Okay. Next result is centroid of triangle. Centroid of triangle ಅಂದ್ರೆ to find the centroid of triangle ABC. ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ಗುರುತ್ವ ಕೇಂದ್ರವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. If three vertices are given, tip of the points are given, say x1, y1, x2, y2, C be a point x3, y3. Three vertices are given. To find the centroid, let G be the centroid of triangle ABC. Its centroid of triangle ABC formula, what is that? Centroid G is equal to, remember, x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This is the formula for centroid of triangle. ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ಗುರುತ್ವ ಕೇಂದ್ರ. ಇದರ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನು? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, and finally, to find the area of triangle with three vertices are given, say a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2, b be a point x2 y2, c be a point x3 y3. Three vertices are given. You know the formula. What is the formula? Area of triangle ABC is equal to, do you remember? What is that? 1 by 2 into bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Measurement of units, square units. This is the formula for area of triangle. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ formula. Distance between 2 points AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 to the power of 2 plus y2 minus y1 to the power of 2. Section formula, if it is internally, its formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. If it is externally, same term, sign changes, mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. Suppose if the ratios are equal, one way ಎರಡು ratio equal ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, say m is equal to n is equal to 1, then coordinates of point P of xy is equal to, put m is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, 1 into x2 x2 plus 1 into x1 x1 divided by 2. Similarly 1 into y2 y2 plus 1 into y1 y1 divided by 2. This is known as midpoint formula. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? Midpoint formula. Whereas to find the centroid of triangle ABC, now let G be the centroid of triangle ABC. Its centroid G is equal to, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This is the formula for centroid of triangle, remember. And finally, to find the area of triangle ABC with three vertices are given, say A is the point x1 y1, B be a point x2 y2, C be a point x3 y3. Three vertices, tip of the points. Vertices ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಶೃಂಗ ಬಿಂದುಗಳು. ಮೂರು vertices ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ what is its area of triangle? Remember the formula, half into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 into bracket y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? Yes, next concept is solid shapes. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? So first one is solid shape. What is the formula for area of circle? Area of circle. Remember what is the formula? Pi r square. R is the radius. What is the diameter of circle? Diameter of circle. Diameter of circle. This is short form. Circle is equal to 2 times radius of the circle. Correct? 2 times radius of the circle. What is circumference of circle? circumference of circle or perimeter of circle. What is the formula? 2 pi r. Remember, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay. Then what is the formula for area of rectangle? Do you remember? What is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Remember. Then what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle. What is that? 2 times L plus B. Correct? 2 times L plus B or 2L plus 2B. Okay. Then what is the formula for area of square? Varga. Area of square. Side into side. Now side A anta tagondidre, that is A into A square. This is area of square. Okay. What is the formula for volume of sphere? Golada kshetrafala. Do you remember what is that? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Remember. What is the formula for surface area of sphere? Surface area of sphere. Total surface area of sphere. What is that? 4 times pi r square. Remember. Then what is the formula for volume of cube? Cube. Volume of cube is length into breadth into height. Suppose you take A into A, that is A cube. Okay. Then what is the formula for total surface area of cube? Total surface area of cube. What is that? Do you remember? Total surface area cube. 6 times A square, because 6 faces in cube, all sides are equal, that is A square. Area of square is A square. How many faces? 6 faces. 6 times A square. Okay. Then what is the formula for volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is equal to what? Pi r square h. H is the height, r is the radius. What is the formula for volume of cone? Cone the volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So these are the important formula. Remember. Okay. So this completes the basic concepts for previous year, as you have learned in 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard. Okay. So next class we will discuss about the syllabus. Now we shall start in next class, that is topic number 2, most important topic. What is that? Trigonometry. Okay, as already you have learned in 10th standard, that is extension part in first PU. Okay.